Hi, I'm Dave Ward from the Ward Law Firm, and we protect business owners facing divorce. I've learned a few things over the time that I have been helping business owners, and there are some common themes that I see in a lot of the cases that I have. Business owners actually do have a much higher incidence of divorce than the general population as a whole, and most of that comes down to time. A lot of times, business owners are married to their business and their spouse ends up being the affair. So the first part is just being thoughtful. Remembering the small things, birthdays, Valentine's Day, anniversaries, other important days. And it's important that your spouse know that you're the one who was thinking of it and not some assistant at the office that you're working with. Another important thing is take an interest in things that are interesting to your spouse. Believe it or not, for most spouses of business owners, they're not really that interested in the business. Sure, there are things that they want to know about it, but they don't have the same level of interest that a business owner is going to have. Another important consideration is money. Now, obviously, most business owners get into business for, among other reasons, to make money. Well, as any business owner knows, it can be very, very stressful being a business owner, especially in the case of younger companies and startups. I've heard people say that a lot of times young businesses are a month or two from being bankrupt, and that does take a toll on our spouses as business owners. So that is something that we also need to be cognizant of, and we need to make sure that our spouses are aware of what's going on, that they know that they're okay, and that they know that they don't need to be worried about those things. And the best way to do that is by sharing information and talking with them. And finally, the last thing is energy. As I said at the beginning, for many business owners, the business is actually what we're married to, and our spouses end up being the affairs. We want to make sure that that's not the case, but so many times we spend so much time working that when we do finally get home, we don't have the energy to do the things that we've been talking about, such as taking an interest in things and spending time with our spouses. These are just some of the things that I've picked up over my time working with business owners. If you have any questions, if this is something that is hitting home for you and you'd like to speak to me about it, give me a call at the number below. I'm Dave Ward from the Ward Law Firm, and we protect business owners facing divorce.